SteadyRack Bike Rack is the ultimate bicycle storage solution. It not only saves space, it's easy to use, it looks fantastic and it's built to last. SteadyRack is so versatile that anyone can use it, from those who ride occasionally to bike riding enthusiasts. And it's especially loved by serious bike riders because it protects their prized possessions. The bike rack is the best option for those wanting to save space in a home garage. The ingenious design is also the best option for commercial applications, such as apartments and office buildings, where space is at a premium. It's really easy to use, and here is how you do it. Open the SteadyRack bike rack and position the arms perpendicular to the wall. Balance the bicycle on the back wheel. Roll it forwards until the front wheel rests against the bottom arm. When the front wheel is touching the bottom arm, simply push the bike forward, and it will rise up and drop into the rack with very little effort. The SteadyRack bike rack swivels almost 180 degrees from side to side. You can now swivel your bike to its ideal position. When folding it to your preferred side, make sure you place the bike tyre on the corresponding side of the bottom bracket. There's no lifting, it's easy to load and unload your bike. Your bike fits snugly in the rack and it's protected. It's the ultimate space-saving solution.
Unleash your ride with Cyclo, GPS cycling computers from Magellan. Cyclo models provide category-leading features in navigation with complete road network, OpenStreetMap, and custom profiles. Sensor support for over 130 amp plus sensors, including power meters and Shimano Di2 systems, and connectivity with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Smart iPhone and select Android device compatibility. Optimize your ride with custom profiles. Input your bike type, personal data, and sensors. And the routes offered are set for your equipment and riding style. Up to 6 different profiles can be saved. Surprise Me provides up to 3 routing options after entering a time or distance. See elevation gain and difficulty to help you choose a route. Mountain biking profiles show the percentage of route paved or unpaved. Cyclo 315 and 505 models support over 130 amp plus heart rate, speed, and cadence sensors. Cyclo 505 models support power meters and Bluetooth smart sensors. And for the performance-minded, all Cyclo models support Shimano Di2 electronic shifting systems with Di2 wireless unit and D-Fly management. Know your exact location. Cyclo's Where Am I feature shows latitude and longitude. 505 models can text your coordinates once paired with compatible Android phones. Cyclo models provide 2 preloaded maps, a complete road network base map and OpenStreetMap. Find routes on roads and off-road or share your routes with the biking community. Escape but still stay connected. Cyclo 505 models are the first cycling GPS computers to support both Apple and Android phones. Control your music playlist. See incoming calls and text messages. Device-to-device route sharing between Cyclo 315 or 505 models is easy. Simply select the Shake and Share feature and shake the unit to transfer a route. All Cyclo easily share .fit or .gpx files. 505 models can wirelessly upload riding data to MagellanCyclo.com and automatically send the data to Strava, Endemano, and Training Peaks. Stuck inside? Still get your workout in with Cyclo's powerful indoor training features. Set a training profile with sensors to record your workout. 505 models support select AMP Plus indoor trainers. Cyclo models provide category-leading features in navigation with complete road network, OpenStreetMap, and custom profiles. Sensor support for over 130 amp plus sensors, including power meters and Shimano Di2 systems. And connectivity with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Smart iPhone and select Android device compatibility. Magellan Cyclo Series. Unleash your ride.